Hi, my name is Yoshi. Today I'm gonna make onigiri. I make three kinds of onigiri and they are how my grandma made. When I was little 60 years ago, my grandma was about 60 years old and I knew she learned cooking when she was young from her mother. They are simple, easy, nothing special, and tasty. I'm showing how I cook my miso soup for myself. I don't measure anything, just like my wife did. Unfortunately, she died last year by cancer. I cut corn on how to use wakame seaweed as you know. So today I enjoyed a little bit saltier soup, which I don't mind. With my grandma's recipe, ingredients are three: umeboshi, baked salmon, and dried bonito flakes. Those ingredients have been very popular items among Japanese family for a very long time. First, I use umeboshi. I take out seed inside ume because I don't want you to break your teeth. But grandma didn't take out seed from ume. Do you know umeboshi onigiri has 789 years old history? Umeboshi onigiri was used as soldiers' food in 1221 at Big Battle in Japan. That was the first time umeboshi onigiri appeared in history. Next one is baked salmon. I skipped the process how to grill salmon. Grandma used ami, steel woven net on the gas stove. This salmon onigiri is the best favorite onigiri. Last one is dried bonito flakes. Marinate dried bonito flakes with soy sauce. Just make dried bonito wet with soy sauce. By the way, dried bonito is the hardest food in the world. I'll start make umeboshi onigiri. Let hands wet with water, then sprinkle a pinch of salt on left palm. Grab handful rice, put ume in the middle of rice and push into deep inside of rice. Then use both hands to make triangle shape onigiri. And make salmon onigiri and dry bonito onigiri same way. Last step is wrap onigiri with nori seaweed. Nori is usually red pepper-like shape. Grab nori 3 to 4 pieces together, then fold into half. Pinch the folded corner, unfold, and lip to make them half size. Those are onigiri with 100 years old recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you on next one.